might be able to get them from up on the side here too.
Yeah. Hey, look at that. There's two. Here's one.
Maybe if you step up on here better.
Just here. Yeah, I think they finished spawning and now they're going to die. Look at those ones there at the side. And there was one up there.
If you stay up here and film down, I'll walk in.
Okay.
Just give it
I must just check. Here they come. You can see they're discolored, eh? They're not like the nice silvery color.